So in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable VSync on Dune Awakening. In order to do it, you should go to the settings, then go to display and find VSync. Now you can set it to off or on, and if it's set to on, it may have a minor impact on the input response time, but if you experience some screen tearing, which means that your GPU frame rate is not synchronized with your monitor's frame rate, then it'll be really great if you turn that on. Of course, if you don't mind the input response time impact, because it will reduce that screen tearing. And remember to apply the change using the Enter key on your keyboard. And now I'm gonna escape the settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time.